How's it going, guys? I have the Samsung Chromebook Series 3 here. I just wanted to do a quick review on it, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've had this for a little while now. I've gotten the chance to really get to know it and know my way around it and know what I like and dislike about it. So here, start on the back. There's an SD slot here for external storage. There's a little rubber cap in there, so I think that's just to add on more storage to your Chromebook. Here we have an SS USB port. It's a different type for other things. Here's just a standard USB port. Right here we have an HDMI out, so you can add an external display or connect to other devices and things like that. Here we have the charging port, and there's a little status light. It tells you if it's charging and when it is charged. And here on the side we have an SD slot. The cover is a little broken. It's just with this plastic body, it can take some wear and tear, but it's still pretty durable and the slot still works. And here's the headphone and mic jack. We'll go ahead and look down here at the bottom. So here there's not much to see on the bottom. There's the label with the model number, power input, and other information like that. I've got some tape here. There's the rubber feet. Keeps it off the table a little bit. That helps direct the sound out of these two speakers. And other than that, there's just the screws, and it looks like there might be a mic right here. So in the box with when you buy a Chromebook, it comes with a charger. Just plugs in to a standard wall outlet, and then to plug into the laptop, there's this little pin. Like most laptops, it's a little smaller, and just plugs into the back right here. And it has a fairly small power brick, which is nice. So now we'll go ahead and take a look inside. There's a magnetic closure, so you lift the cover. It boots up automatically when you open it. Right there. It has a fast boot feature, so it starts up in just a few seconds. You can see my login screen right there. So it just has a standard keyboard. Everything's the same as a Windows computer probably would be, except the function keys on the top have different features like brightness and volume. You can still access your function keys with different keyboard shortcuts. Also, the tab key is a search key, which I actually use a lot more. It's a caps lock key. Is a search key. It's really nice just to do a quick Google search. Just hit that and start typing, and it instantly gives me a search. So we'll go ahead and look at the interface real quick. Okay, here guys, we have the desktop of the Chromebook. This is just a stock wallpaper that came with it, set to random to shuffle through all of them. So the interface is a lot like a Windows computer. So here would be your start button, and you would have some settings down here, and then of course your apps across the bottom. And by the way, the mouse is large so you can see it easier. So here would be the start button, like I said. These are some of your more common apps that you use. You can also get to this window by clicking the where the caps lock button would be is the search key. So you can do a quick search this way, like I said before. So these are your most recent apps, and then here you can access the rest of your apps through there. Also, there's a voice feature included in the browser and this search bar of the Chromebook. So, like smartphones, you can talk and it'll pick up the words you're saying and type them in for you. And then down here, I have accessibility on, which is the mouse setting. Here's your Wi-Fi settings and your Bluetooth connections. And here's the screen share I'm using right now. So here you have a volume adjustment and then settings bar. Here's some battery information. And then date and time. There's a help center, which actually is really great. They have online chat center and call center for Chromebooks. You can shut it down and log out here as well. So Chromebooks use the browser, they use the Chrome browser for all of their programs. There's not really any programs downloaded. It does come with the calculator app here, and also the Files app down here at the bottom, and the camera app. Besides that, everything else is online. All these apps will take you to a website. There's the Chrome store, like you see right here, which you can download a number of apps that, there's games, word processing. Microsoft actually has some apps, and there's a lot of great extensions and things like that. But other than that, it's just all on the browser, which is really a lot of what you need today. Alright, so you can see a Chromebook. Overall, I think it's a great computer. They're a very low price, around $200, I think. Yeah, so I don't need this for much more than for school and things like that. So I think it's a great computer for that. If you want to get into gaming, or if you want to use photo programs or video programs, things like that, a better computer is definitely what you're going to want for that. But overall, this is great for most things you need. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.